What do you get when you take a Ford Ranger and push it to its absolute extremes? Well, if you thought that's what the Ranger Raptor was, well, you'd be wrong, because here with me is the Ford Ranger Super Duty. Whereas the Raptor is designed to go fast on a sand dune, in light off-roading conditions, and even on the road, the Super Duty, well, it can tow, haul, and tour like nothing else in its class. Distinguished by an all-new front end, the Super Duty features a bespoke bonnet, grille, and fenders to accommodate a wider track and wider width overall. In fact, the track and the width are as wide as a Raptor. And that is because the Super Duty is taller than a standard Ranger, which means Ford have had to increase the track width to ensure the same levels of dynamic capability. But the changes to the Super Duty aren't just superficial, because Ford have built this car from the ground up to be the most capable factory Ranger to date. Ford have been in deep conversation with fleet operators in developing this car. Think fire rescue services, mining operations, and national park maintenance to ensure that this car meets their very specific needs.
As a result, the gross vehicle mass rating is 4.5 tonnes, while its gross combined mass is 8 tonnes, as well as featuring a braked towing capacity of 4.5 tonnes, the latter matching the full-sized F-150 and other American big rigs like the Chevrolet Silverado and Ram 1500. It's also a full tonne more than a standard Ranger's 3.5 tonne rating, and that's the difference between being able to tow this and this.
To achieve this, Ford has basically had to rework the entire underbody, starting from the chassis. The suspension and brakes have also been tweaked. There's 8 stud wheels included as standard, and there's also a unique engine and transmission calibration. Speaking of, the Super Duty is powered by a version of the 3-litre turbo diesel V6 already found in some upmarket ranges. And while Ford is not yet ready to disclose the exact power and torque figures of this car, the engine already produces 184 kilowatts and 600 Newton meters in current models. But this car isn't just for fleets, because the Ranger Super Duty will also have inherent appeal for Australians looking for a long-range touring vehicle that will travel to Cape York straight from the showroom floor. With an increased weighting depth and 33-inch all-terrain tyres, as well as Ford's full suite of advanced safety systems such as autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view monitor, the Super Duty also has plenty of appeal for adventure buyers. With a larger 130-litre fuel tank that allows a cruising range of over 1,000 kilometres, the Super Duty has plenty to get you around this great country of ours, but its biggest appeal might actually be its size. Despite its uprated towing and GVM capabilities, the Super Duty is still just the size of a Ranger, which means parking it at the shops or chucking a U-turn is going to be much easier in this thing than in an F-150. It's still even going to fit in underground car parks, but only just. Now, Ford has also yet to disclose exactly how much this Ranger Super Duty will cost, but it will come to market in 2026 in cab chassis form first, followed by this pickup body style. So, tell us, has Ford delivered the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Series killer? Let us know in the comments below. And for the full breakdown on the Ranger Super Duty, be sure to check out Drive.com.au.